Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. I am Pranita Kamath, the author of the workbook on Bharatanatyam. The workbook is by Natya Chitra as a part of the Listen, Read, Choreograph series. Few weeks ago, we released an explainer video describing on how to use the book and who can use the book. In this video, we have a testimonial by Padma Bhushan awardee Guru V.P. Dhananjayan and Shanta Dhananjayan, whom we dearly call Master and Akka. Master provided the foreword for this workbook, but that's not the only thing he contributed with. He guided me in adding 2 features for this workbook. The first feature was transliterated terminologies of Bharatanatyam terms. Now, generally we use Bharatanatyam terminologies like, for example, raga, tala, adavu, and we use it in our own colloquial fashion. In the way we hear it, we pronounce it. But as a student of Bharatanatyam, every time we go out and present our work, we of course have to give some written format of our presentation. And when we write this format, we have different spellings for the same word. For tala, it could be T-A-A-L-A or T-A-L-A. And what Master wanted is for all of us to follow the codified pattern of writing these terms. And the writing should be the most appropriate to the way we pronounce it, and therefore transliterated terminologies. And the idea is that when the student is going through this workbook, the more often the student reads these words in the correct spelling, the more probable is the student to use the right spelling. The second feature that Master guided me into adding to this workbook is Adavu Guide. Now, I was in this phase where, of course, in Bharatanatyam we have different banis, and each bani has a different way of delivering the same adavu. That does not mean one bani is better than the other. So, Master came up with this very nice thought. It's very broad-minded. And he said, it does not matter how this or which adavu is what in which bani. But what does matter is the way you deliver that adavu. To follow the right posture, to have the right mudras and the right position of the mudras. And this is what I have integrated into the workbook. Now, apart from these 2 features, Master and Akka have a small testimonial for us on this workbook. So with that introduction, let's hear a little bit about Master and Akka, a little bit about their success stories to get inspired with, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.
Shri V.P. Dhananjayan hails from Kerala and was initiated into Kalakshetra by his father on the advice of Kathakali master Guru Chandu Panikar. Dhananjayan received a scholarship at Kalakshetra to study Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Mridangam and music. He graduated from Kalakshetra with a postgraduate diploma in dance with distinction and also holds a BA in economics and politics. Srimati Shanta Dhananjayan hails from a Nair family in Malaysia. Upon realizing her interest and talent for dance, her parents sent her to Kalakshetra. Shanta trained in Bharatanatyam and music apart from other subjects for nearly a decade. She graduated with a postgraduate diploma with distinction in Bharatanatyam and also learned Kathakali and Carnatic music. Both of them were leading dancers at Kalakshetra. They got married in 1966 and left Kalakshetra in the 1960s to build a career on their own. The Dhananjayans have performed across the world. Some of their major productions include Pandit Ravi Shankar's Ghanashyam, National Dance Institute New York's Chakra, Jungle Book Ballet, Sita Ramakatha and Sanghamitra in Singapore, Mahabharatam in Reunion French Island. The Dhananjayans impart Natya to enthusiasts at their school Bharata Kalanjali since 1968 in Chennai. They have received various accolades like Padma Bhushan Award in 2009, Nritya Ratnakara, Doctorate from Wales University, Plaque of Honour Award, Sangeeta Natak Academy Award, Kalai Mamini Award, UNESCO Paris Medallion de Merit and Nritya Chudamani to name a few.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
We have great pleasure in launching this book. Listen, read and choreograph. Written by Pranita Kamath, who used to be a student at Bharata Kalanjali probably 2 decades ago. It's a great venture that she has undertaken. So being a scientist herself, she has the growing interest in pursuing the art that she learned from some of us, and it's a great endeavor on her part to popularize Bharatanatyam wherever she is stationed now in Switzerland. And this is a good handbook for youngsters to possess and also notate their simple composition of
And also create their own items. I think.
Yes, this will help a lot. I have written a small foreword to the book, and if you read, you will know what are the features of this book, and please buy it and
Make use of
encourage
it. Yeah.
yes,
Make
encourage
use of it,
such
yeah.
ventures from people like Pranita Kamath. Our best wishes
Blessings.
and blessings. Thank you.